That's the combination that we're working on the heavy bag. Very similar to what we did with the footwork, but the difference is we're getting better with our hands today. So if you notice off of that 1-2, I'm gonna stay in the block to protect myself, then get into the next part of the combination. So that's what it looks like on the heavy bag. I'll run it again for you guys. In with the 1-2, stay with the block, then go ahead and throw your 2-3-2 or your right, left, right, or your 2-5-2, doesn't matter, it depends on what's opening according to your opponent. Block again, then go ahead and disengage. You run that combination in the bag, move around the bag, feint if you want to, act like you're fighting, protect yourself in between, and then when you're ready, and hopefully when your opponent's not ready, you get into the combination. And that's how you're using the heavy bag on the combination that we're running this week, which is the 1-2, block, 2-3-2, 2-5-2, right, left, right, all the same, but hand emphasis on the heavy bag, what we do with the blocking, and that's what your emphasis is today, but that is the heavy bag work for you.